Here's a way to mingle colors together rather than mixing them to get a more interesting looking watercolor painting. I have ultramarine blue and quinacridone burnt orange, which is similar to burnt sienna, and I mixed them together to get a gray color. If you add more pigment, you would get black. I don't keep black on my palette, so I just use this mix if I need to make a black or a gray. But what if I took my ultramarine in one pile and put out my quin burnt orange in another pile and simply just pick up a little bit of each one without mixing them on my palette? Look what happens. The colors mingle together. They don't really mix, but what a much more interesting thing to look at than just a flat color like the one on the right. So give it a try. If you've never done this, it really can make your paintings look a lot more exciting.